Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down prerequisites. This saves time and prevents returns. Check your budget. Aim for $200 to $350 and confirm carrier 5G band so the Oppo K13 5G will work. Once done, pick storage and color. For most, 8GB/128 GB balances speed and cost. Make sure you have ID and a payment method ready. This prevents checkout delays. Take a quick screenshot of specs to compare. Now you're ready to shop with clarity and avoid impulse choices. You should compare multiple sellers to get the best deal. Price alone isn't enough. Start with the official Oppo store, then check major retailers and authorized resellers for discounts or bundles. Once you find candidates, line up warranty length, return policy, and whether charger or case is included. Make sure to read recent user reviews for battery life and software update frequency, because those affect long-term satisfaction. After comparing, pick the seller that balances price, support, and honest feedback. You complete the purchase by verifying details, confirm the IMEI and how to activate the warranty before you pay, and note the shipping ETA. Use a secure payment method and save receipts. Once the phone arrives, inspect packaging and test IMEI, screen, camera, and charging right away. If something's wrong, act quickly. Request a return or RMA within the seller's window and keep all proof of purchase. Troubleshooting tip. If network issues appear, confirm carrier APN settings and band support before assuming a hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.